Python logical operators. Logical operators are used to check whether an expression is true or false. They are used in decision making. We have the operator AND, OR, and NOT. So logical AND is only true if both the operands are true. Logical OR is true if at least one of the operands is true. NOT is the operand if the operand is false and vice versa. That is, it alternates the operand, or it gives you the inverse. So let's just check it quickly. Let's do something quick. So if I say print true and true, can you guess what that would be? And if I also say print false, false, then let me do this. True, or, this is for or. And last but not the least, let's do one for not. So let's say not true. I will tell you what I'm doing now. Now, what I've done is, I have 4 print statements here. The first 2 are using the AND operand. Remember we said that when you use AND, each value must be true for it to be true. So we have true here. True and true is equals to true. False and false is equals to false because they are both false. But when you use OR, only one needs to be true. So true or false is still equal to true. And when you use not, it turns what you have here to the opposite. So not of true is equal to false. So let's see this. And as you can see, the first one is true. True and true is true. False and false is false. True or false is true. False, not true, is false. Now, what if we try this out with values? So I'm going to drop this. Let's assume we have x is equals to 5 and y is equal to 7. Now we can do something like this. Print, and let's do our first operand. Let's say y is greater than x, which is true, and x is not equal to 7, which is true. Remember what we did previously from the assignment operators. Y is greater than x, that is true. 7 is greater than 5. X is not equal to y, sorry, not 7, which is true. This is going to give us what? True, because both operands are true. This one is true, this one is true. What if we say x is equal to this? It evaluates to false because one of them is not true. But if we turn this to OR and we run it, because one of them is true, it will still be true. So guys, this is it on Python logical operators.